Morena everyone, and welcome to a short video on functional vision assessment for infants and toddlers. This resource is from the Texas School of the Blind and Visually Impaired. They are a renowned institution for supporting children with vision impairment, and I'm just on their website and I've found a fantastic resource for supporting understanding for functional vision assessment. I will just briefly go over what this page has to offer and go into a few of the videos more in depthly. So the main content is a lady called Lois Harrell, a pediatric vision specialist. She's developed a functional vision assessment kit with from her 40 years of experience. So you've got her doing, the whole video is an hour 10, and she does a functional vision assessment for children. She explains what she has in her kit. That takes about 10 minutes. She also gives examples of parent interactions and how sometimes there can be misunderstandings between ophthalmologists and then what a functional vision assessment does. Part 3 is the comparison of two functional vision assessments. So there's a video there, and it's quite interesting because you've got a set of twins that are born. One has visual impairment and one does not. So you're able to see the comparison between the light recognition, tracking, and fixing and tracking. Oopsie. Part 4 is observations from two functional vision assessments. So then she talks a little bit more in depthly about the observations that she made and goes back over them. And then also the last part of it is quite interesting because then it talks about how you can relate that to the expanded core curriculum. And this part of it talks about social skills and sensory games. So I found that also quite interesting. So now I'm just going to show you a short snippet of one of the videos about parent and teacher interaction and how Lois explains this. The next video in this sequence, Lois is talking about light perception, and it's quite interesting because she's comparing it between a normally developing child, two twins, and a child that has vision impairment. I found this really interesting. So as you can see from the short snippets of these videos that I have showed you, Lois has a wealth of information about the subtleties of taking a functional vision assessment with visually impaired infants. The video is relatively short. The whole length video is relatively short for how much information is packed inside. This is also broken up into a webinar where other people are also commenting and analysing the video and providing feedback and really getting into the little subtle aspects of the video. I'll leave the link below. I hope this is something that you would like to look at to support your skills if you are going to take a functional vision assessment with young children in the future. Ka kite.